Buddhāvataṃsaka Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 1, The Wonderful Adornments of the Leaders of the Worlds. The Buddha is like space with no inherent nature. Appearing in the world to benefit the living, his features and refinements are like reflections. Pure awareness sees in this way. The pores of the Buddha's body emit sounds everywhere. The clouds of the teaching cover all worlds. All those who hear are joyful and glad. Such is the realization of liberation light. Furthermore, the Gandhava king sustaining the nation found the door of liberation of independent techniques for saving all sentient beings. The Gandhava king Tree Light found the door of liberation, seeing the array of all virtues. Furthermore, the Gandhava king sustaining the nation found the door of liberation of independent techniques for saving all sentient beings. The Gandhava king Tree Light found the door of liberation, seeing the array of all virtues. The Gandhava king Clear Eyes found the door of liberation, cutting off forever the grief and suffering of all sentient beings, producing a treasury of joy. The Gandhava king Flower Crown found the door of liberation by forever cutting off the confusion of all sentient beings' erroneous views. The Gandhava king Universal Sound of Joyful Steps found the door of liberation like clouds overspreading, shading and refreshing all sentient beings. The Gandhava king Joyously Moving Beautiful Eyes found the door of liberation manifesting an enormous beautiful body, causing all to obtain peace and bliss. The Gandhava king Wondrous Sound Lion Banner found the door of liberation scattering all famous jewels in all directions. The Gandhava king Universal Emanation of Jewel Light found the door of liberation manifesting the pure body of all great joyous lights. The Gandhava king Diamond Tree Flower Banner found the door of liberation causing all trees to richly flourish, causing all who see them to be delighted. The Gandhava king Universal Manifestation of Adornments found the door of liberation skillfully entering into the sphere of all Buddhas and bestowing peace and happiness on all living beings. At that time, the Gandhava king sustaining the nation, imbued with the power of the Buddha, looked over all the hosts of Gandhavas and said in verse,